What is up, YouTube? And we are back at it again with another vlog, baby. So today we are gonna be painting the front lip on the Q50. We got stuff back up and running. I got some updates for you guys. So let's start getting into it. First thing first, my bumper is painted, baby. So we're looking good. This got painted by North Star Collision over here in Cleveland, Tennessee. Shout out to them. This actually came out amazing. Matches very well. I also fitted the front lip just so I can get the fitment correct. So when I put it on, I got the bolt. I gotta get a little washer for this one, but I do have one for that side. So that's looking solid. Next, I took the time to re-polish the wheels and like get them really clean and make them look like brand new all over again. So this looks really good again. Eyelids are gonna get installed once the bumper gets on, so that's gonna get on in this video as well. But for now, let's go out and grab some paint materials that we need real quick. Oh yeah, yesterday I took the time to redo the double-sided tape, so the side skirts sit flush all around, looking good again, baby. This video is probably going to be split up into 2 days because the weather is kind of looking junky today and it might rain in a few. So I'm probably just going to get the primer, prep it for tomorrow, lay down the paint, call it a day, baby. We back in business. Alright, so I went over there, got the primer, paint, adhesion promoter, and clear coat. And then I went over here, got the scuff pad and the sandpaper. So we Gucci. Let's go get this going. All right, now that we got our lip, I got my scuff pad. We'll be scuffing the hell out of this thing right now. It is a poly lip, so you definitely have to scuff it. Use adhesion promoter and then prime, paint, clear, done. So let's get that process going, baby. All right, lip is all scuffed up. You guys got what I meant. But we're all good to go. I'm gonna lay down the adhesion promoter and then the primer. Gotta clean it with some alcohol though. Get off all the dirt that was on it. Clean it up. We're using the Rust-Oleum Automotive Primer Adhesion Promoter.
Shake it up, baby.
You lay this, you kind of just want to put it everywhere. Just make sure that this lays everywhere. Hit every spot. Hit every spot because you want it to be as sticky as possible. Now we just let this dry for a minute until it's not shiny no more. Then we can lay primer. Let me just acknowledge my makeshift paint section. Look at that, Ritz into matzo sticks, kid. Let's get it. Now that that's dried, we're gonna hit it with the Rust-Oleum Primer Filler, just so it can fill any cracks or any holes that look kind of funny, and it'll make it nice and smooth. Primer looking good, baby. I'm gonna take the lip inside real quick. I'm gonna go wet sand it. I'm gonna give it probably about a half an hour more. Wet sand it, and then lay base coat and then clear. And we should be good to go. But I'm gonna just take it inside and put everything inside just for now, just in case, because it is getting a little more cloudy. Just in case, because if it does rain, then I'll be screwed. Now to wet sand. Now that everything is prepped for paint, I clean it off with some alcohol just to get the last residue out. And now let's lay down that base coat, baby. Nice light first coat. Then I'm gonna lay it down a little bit better. Bro, base coat is done, bro, and it's looking mint. Look at that. Oh, get some. Body shop. Who needs a body shop? I am the body shop. Last but not least, that 1K clear, baby. Let's get it. Stuff got UV protection, gasoline resistant, scratch resistant, but it ain't booty resistant, so you better be careful if you use this stuff. Here we go. Yo, lip came out amazing.
that. Laid some glass, baby. Let's go. Past half an hour, I've been taking that bumper off. Now we're here to transfer all the other parts onto it, onto the new one.
So you guys have seen this process already. I'm just gonna do this really quick. Swap in and out. You guys are gonna see this, but you guys will see the new bumper on. So I'll stay tuned for that in a second. Bumper install is done. About to go throw this one away. Dude, look at the damage that it took when the lip fell off or ripped off. Jesus. From crusty and dusty to damn, she's back, baby. She looked good. Yo, the lip came out amazing. Day's not over. Still got some work to do. Heading over to the homie Javi's shop real quick. He's gonna let me use his jack, thank God. I'm just gonna slap on the wheels right now while we're at it. He doesn't have time Saturday, so I'm just gonna bang it out right now. Clean the car up Saturday night, get it ready for Easter. Riverside is next week. It was about to be a banger, so let me load up those wheels real quick and then slap them on. And she's back to normal, baby. She's looking phenomenal. I'm freaking exhausted. The new lip, one-piece lip, looks freaking phenomenal. Paint came out fire. Everything about it came out fire. It just looks so good. But that is it for this vlog, guys. My hands look like I just took a shit on them, but it's okay. I will see you guys next time. Stay tuned for more content and have a good night. Peace.
Say hello to my little friend.
About to make a couple million out the back end. On fleece, I look like a chick. On the G, flying on the chick. Who is it drip by?